Galing ba sa DepEd ang listahan na inattach doon sa House version? Sinabi namin hindi. Hindi galing sa amin yan. On record yon. Makikita nyo sa mga videos, balikan nyo yung mga videos. Makikita nyo.
Yes, my concern, Madam Chair, Mr. President, under the GAB, I observed that there was an increase in the budget for the construction of new classrooms from 19.6 billion to 24.6 billion. However, this is my concern, which you mentioned earlier, that the repairs and rehabilitation of classrooms was decreased from 6.5 billion to 1.5 billion. I also have information, Madam Chair, Mr. President, that 24.6 billion allocated under the GAB, but only 9.8 billion from the allocation is left to the discretion of the